Yo, where's the food at? Yeah, but to be honest, I don't want the food. I just want to turn you on. Hey, yo, what did I say about saying that stuff? Don't act like you don't like it, bro. I stay turning you on. Either way, you don't last. You only last like a couple of seconds, bro. What about that time with the frozen out pocket? Yeah. I lasted like 10 minutes. Soon's coming. Alright, gonna eat my leftovers from last night. This is gonna be the best 1 minute of your life. Here, check for this. I must stop it before the world ends. 10 seconds, my boy. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Finally. You can never finish me off. Done.